Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create a cool handshake effect. At first upload your video and use a nice filter. In the next step, duplicate the main video and remove the background by using the Remove BG feature. After finishing, select your duplicated video, press overlay and put it on top of the main video. Now it looks like we have only one video, but as you know, we have the duplicated video on top of the main video. In the next step we are adding a shake in the moment the hands clap together. To make it look very realistic, we are using keyframes to expire the shake effect. So as you can see here, the shake effect starting very hard and goes soft at the end. Now it's time to add the optical scanner effect. Choose the video you want to add the effect for and drag into the right position to match the handshake moment. To add an overall zoom, we need to add the keyframes at both of the video clips. Then we are finished. Thank you for watching and see you next time.